It's been a while since I did a video on the Tommy Kaira. So here we are today. Underside was cleaned up and all the suspension components taken off last time. And all those components have been taken off to the powder coaters, sandblasted, cleaned up, powder coated or replaced if they were irreparable. And they are now all lined up, ready to go back on. As you can see, they're all paired up with the bolts, which have all been zinced and as new, or are new if they were too far gone. And they're ready to go back on. So the objective today is to make it a rolling shell, and then we can send it off to the body shop and get the outside and the top half done. Also got a brand new set of Pedder's Sport Rider suspension, which will be going on there. They're the closest thing that we can get to the original STI suspension. So they're going on there thanks to Ozparts. The last video you saw, we stripped off the underside, all the subframes, suspension components, any bolt, bracket, fitting of any kind. And the underside of the Tommy has been cleaned and painted. So this is what it looks like now. Reconstructed and effectively, or hopefully create a rolling shell today. Hope the time lapse wasn't too long, but let me show you where we've got to. We didn't quite get it as a rolling shell the other day, but we've done a few things in the meantime. So let me talk you through what we've got. So at the front end here, we've got the hubs on, the lower arms, anti-roll bar, the steering rack, the pedals, the Hell brake lines, subframes all nicely cleaned and powder coated. Looking really smart. Obviously the gearbox cradle will be out because that's just up there to keep it out of the way at the moment. So just brake discs and calipers and rear anti-roll bars to go on here, and that's ready to go to the body shop. Rear drive shafts are in. Looking lush, looking really lush. So that's it for today's video. We'll give you an update once this goes off to the body shop now. It'll go off there for a couple of weeks, maybe 3 weeks, to get the like the rust damage that you would have seen around the wheel arches at the rear, and get the paintwork done. But I do have a favour to ask. If anyone knows a company that can recreate the Tomokiara graphics down the side of the car, then please get in contact with me. It would be very useful to have a company that has that pattern already and knows what they're doing. So please pop it in the comments below or get them to email me, Duncan@racedynamix.com. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.